Good afternoon, David. We need to review the Staney's pitch project before tonight's match.
Good afternoon, Sarah. I am ready with the latest field inspection report.
There was heavy rain this afternoon. Did the drainage system work well?
Yes, the water drained quickly. There are no puddles on the grass right now.
That is excellent news. Our team worked very hard on the new ground foundation.
We removed the old soil completely. We dug down 40 to 50 centimeters deep.
Why did we need to dig so deep into the ground during the renovation?
It helps the fields stay flat and improves water flow during bad weather.
The cushion layer under the grass feels very soft and safe for players.
Yes, it protects the players from knee and ankle injuries during fast sprints.
Let us discuss the type of grass we planted on the main field.
We selected a modern grass variety. It is used in world-class stadiums like Old Trafford.
How did your maintenance crew take care of the new grass every day?
We followed a strict watering schedule and checked the soil temperature regularly.
Did the grass grow evenly across all parts of the playing area?
Yes, the coverage is uniform and the color is a healthy deep green.
Did our team perform ball roll and bounce tests this morning?
We tested 5 different zones. The ball moved smoothly at the standard speed.
Did the Asian Football Confederation officials approve our technical parameters?
They inspected the pitch yesterday and gave full approval without any issues.
That shows our maintenance team followed high international standards.
Everyone on the grounds team worked with great discipline and attention to detail.
How are the spectator stands and seats around the stadium looking?
The cleaning staff washed all seat rows and cleared the public walkways.
Are the security gates and ticket scanners working properly for the fans?
Our technical support team tested all scanners 30 minutes ago. Everything works fine.
Many supporters arrived early outside the stadium gates today.
We opened the entry gates early to avoid long queues and overcrowding.
Good decision. Crowd management is essential for a safe matchday experience.
We also have medical staff stationed at every major exit corridor.
Now let us check the player benches and locker rooms downstairs.
Both team rooms have clean towels, cool water, and working air conditioners.
Did the referee team inspect the goal lines and corner flags yet?
Yes, they measured the goal frames and checked the net attachments.
Did the lines on the grass need any repainting after the afternoon shower?
We used waterproof white paint so the field markings remain bright and visible.
What will your staff do during the 15-minute halftime break?
Our crew will quickly inspect the goal areas and repair loose turf divots.
Quick repairs help keep the surface safe for the second half of play.
We have special manual tools ready near the sideline for fast repairs.
What is our contingency plan if it starts raining again during the game?
The subsurface pumps will turn on automatically to increase water drainage speed.
That automatic pumping system gives us a lot of operational confidence.
Modern technology makes stadium maintenance much easier than in previous years.
Our national team prefers to play fast-passing football on a flat pitch.
This quality surface will support their tactical plan against Malaysia tonight.
Both local and international media wrote very positive reviews about our venue.
It is great to see our hard work recognized by football fans everywhere.
How is the stadium floodlight system functioning for the evening broadcast?
All 4 light towers are running on dual generators to avoid power cuts.
Good preventive maintenance avoids unexpected problems during important live events.
We tested the backup electrical generator twice this week without error.
What time will the visiting Malaysia team arrive at the venue?
Their team bus will arrive at 6:30 in the evening.
Please ensure the security team keeps the entrance lane clear for their bus.
I already informed the gate team. The vehicle route is completely clear.
Have the broadcast media crews set up their pitch-side cameras already?
Yes, all television cameras are in position behind the sideline boundaries.
Make sure cables do not cross the grass or create trip hazards.
All media wires are covered with safety mats along the track edge.
We also need to plan grass care after tonight's match concludes.
My team will start cleaning debris and mowing the grass early tomorrow morning.
Will the pitch need extra fertilizer before the next tournament game?
We will apply organic nutrients on Friday to promote strong root growth.
A steady maintenance schedule protects the investment we made in this facility.
Regular care keeps the field in championship condition for many years.
Let us do a final walk around the perimeter together right now.
I have the checklist ready on my tablet. Let us begin.
The goalposts and nets look sturdy and properly attached.
The fourth official desk and substitution boards are also in place.
The stadium sound system is clear. The national anthem test sounded great.
The sound engineers calibrated the speakers across all 4 seating zones.
Everything appears ready for a successful and memorable football evening.
Our operations team will stay on alert until all fans exit safely.
Thank you for your dedication, David. You did an outstanding job.
Thank you, Sarah. Let us hope for a great victory tonight.
Let us head back to the control room and monitor the match.
I will keep my radio on channel 1 for any urgent updates.